JK Adventures in the JK Kitchen. I haven't filmed in a long time. We were on vacation in Spain. We did 3 parts of that. So if you guys haven't seen it, link up here and also in the description. Tell them what we're doing.
Today we're gonna be doing a meal prep video. We're trying to work out, lose weight. We're gonna start meal prepping. We're gonna
show you what we're doing today. Other than that, we're trying to lose a couple pounds, you know, trying to look good for summer 19.
I think we missed the cutoff for this one.
This is gonna be part of a series. It's gonna be our workout series, and we're gonna be filming us doing workouts, losing weight, meal prepping, the usual stuff. So this is just gonna be something that we wanna do for ourselves and we wanna do for you guys. We're not experts.
Yeah, no.
I have worked out a lot in my life. I played a lot of sports and all that jazz. Juanita, what's your background?
No workout. I mean, I make tortillas.
That's pretty official.
It's tense,
good form. We're not going off of like a strict calorie count. We're not measuring or weighing our food. We're just gonna do it all natural. It's like an experiment. We'll see what works, what doesn't work. We'll adjust what needs to be. We have a kind of an idea, and we're just trying to just live longer, I guess.
Yeah, pretty much. Anyways, so I guess want to get started? Put the rice, the brown rice in here. We're gonna steam the asparagus on top. And we're just gonna let that ride. Close it. Okay, babe, explain to them.
We're just gonna cook our meats.
What kind of meat do we have today?
We have fish, chicken, and turkey.
All right.
Just your basic essentials for trying to lose weight and eat better. So, boring food, but we're gonna try to make it delicious.
So you're gonna, what are you gonna season first for the people?
We have this Bayou Cajun seasoning. I think I'm gonna put that on the turkey. Beer can chicken, obviously that's gonna go on the chicken. And then Old Bay for the fish. As we get deeper into this, we're gonna probably start using a little bit better products. Right now I'm using olive oil, just a little. Whoops, got a heavy pour.
He's gonna be cooking the chicken in that one over there, and then the turkey in this one. We'll save the fish for last. So we said Cajun on the turkey. Next is the chicken.
We have it in lime, lemon right now.
We're gonna season our fish now. Ooh, geez. So we got our bowls set up. We did buy like meal prep bowls. So we got 20 of them.
Meal prep done!
Woo, finally, 3 hours later.
The rice took forever.
Yeah.
But not that difficult. We're gonna probably try to post one full video of our workout and our progress once a month. Maybe a few pop-up videos here and there.
I don't know, I'm excited. I think this is gonna be a good start to the new month.
For me being a fat boy looking at this food, it does not look good. Being honest, but you gotta do what you gotta do.
We're gonna
Gotta
try
make
it out.
moves. So the veggies do look good though. I do like veggies, so.
I don't think we did too bad besides the 2 Fun Friday meals.
Yeah, because we were short on ingredients.
That's one thing. We will post another video, hopefully with meal prep, and we'll probably get it a little bit better.
Well, you guys already know. JK Ventures over and out. Meal prepping, fitness.
You're not gonna see Kirk in our next video.
I'm gonna be thin.
Bye guys.